You don't know how to download videos from. I got you. Here are the steps on how to do it.
Número 1.
Go to Instagram Reels.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Go to send and copy the link.
Número 2.
Go to video downloader. I recommend using Snapinsta. Paste that sure. Download video. Congrats, you have downloaded the video.
Número 3.
If you like this video, like and subscribe for more content like this, for your fried dopamine receptor. See ya.